Hey guys, this is Brian with B-Stride DIY. I'm back at Lowe's to show you some of their deals going on. And first up we have this red mini crossline self-leveling level. They have a 35-foot one and a 50-foot reach one. The $42 and $59 respectively on those. And then for $59 they had the half-inch cordless drill driver kit or the quarter-inch, both for the same price. So this is a really good deal on this one. It does come with the kit, so it's the charger and the battery and the tool. And they also had for $99, it's the Bear brad nailer. It's an 18 gauge brad nailer and you get this for free. It's a $7.98 value, 18 gauge brad nail pack. So they had this all set up basically like for Black Friday. Now I don't know if these are Black Friday prices, I assume not. But they have this set up the same as, if you look back at my videos from Black Friday, you'll see this is how it looks. Now they had all these fastener built bit sets and these drill driver sets. This one's a 140 piece set for $39, and then this 7-piece hole saw set for $34.98. And this is what these look like here, the nice clear cases. This is a 60-piece set, and these are magnetic, of course. This is the hole saw bit drill set, and it comes with a little drill piece. And then this is the 140-piece set down below. Now for $39, it was $59, you're getting the 61-piece standard metric and polished chrome tool set, or mechanic set. It's SAE and metric, and this is from Craftsman. Now from Kobalt, you have this where you're gonna pick your choice for $149, this 24-volt 2-tool combo kit, or this impact wrench kit it's a 24-volt kit. And they've got these all not locked up, but alarmed up, which is kind of common nowadays. For $59 is his 20-piece ratcheting wrench set. It was $99. And this is a nice side view of this one here. They had everything stocked up. So I guess they were just putting these out on the floor along with all the Christmas stuff. Now for $20 you can get the, it says a 21-piece drill and drive set or the 50-piece drill and drive set. It says a $75 value. And now you always want to keep your eye out for these because look at this, reduced from $729 to $365. I think these are both Toro electric mowers. And you look down here to the product details, what's wrong with it? There's nothing wrong, it was just the display. So it hasn't even been used. And just because it was display, it's already put together. If you got your truck with you, you can just pick this up. I think this is a really good deal here. This one's $249. And this is a 21-inch cutting radius. And again, this one is just a display. It's $500 originally, and you're getting half off. Now this one, you can see the mud on the tires. This one has an issue. This one was returned by a customer. It was $179. It's now $71. And it says this used returned issue is leaking oil, and they're saying it's as is. If you like to do DIY stuff, it's probably not too tough of a fix, but something to check out. Now for $199, it was $329. This is the Craftsman 6-tool combo kit. So this does come with batteries, chargers, and I think a bag as well. And you're getting all the tools here. The light, drill driver, circular saw, and cutoff tool. Now if this is the 4-tool kit for $149, you're saving $50. And these are the tools you're getting here. I think everything except the circular saw. And this is for $249, you're getting 8 tools. And it looks like you're getting the job site fan is added, sander, and I don't think this one comes with a bag, but it's a $613 value. Now this is your choice for $39. This is the Kobalt 24-volt job site compact blower. It's got a 5-year warranty, was $59. And then you're getting it's the mini starter kit. It's a 2-amp-hour battery and charger, 24-volt Bluetooth speaker, the 4-amp-hour battery pack. That's a pretty good deal. And then the light here. This is the 24-volt max light. They're just saying it's max lumens, why they're calling it max basically. This is the Bluetooth speaker. And then you can see over here to the left, this is the 4-amp-hour 24-volt battery with a 3-year warranty. Now from Napoleon, $55, it was $69. This is a grill cover kit. It's a pretty good time actually to look at grill stuff because it might be on clearance because it's going into the holidays and people aren't using it as much. They had these cedar grilling planks and these wood chips as well, which were yellow tagged. And guys, if you've made it this far, go ahead and leave a like on the video and comment if you see something that you want to pick up or have picked up already. Now from Tahoma, this is a 900 grill cover. And then they have this lump charcoal for 19 bucks as well. Now I went in the actual mower section as well, just because I was thinking they might have some deals. Nothing too crazy. This one was 50 bucks off, these skill mowers. This is a 20-inch cutting deck, skill 50-minute runtime mower. This one's not bad for $249. It was $329. It's it includes the battery and charger, and it's a 20-inch cutting deck. The only thing is the battery runtime is 45. Usually a really good deal, you're gonna get 50, but this one's $399. This is the 20-volt, 20-inch cordless mower. Now from Kobalt, coming back to this section, kind of right in the front of the store, this is the 18-piece screwdriver set. And what I like with this is you're also getting the precision screwdrivers for like electronics and glasses. Now right next to that from Kobalt, they had this dual foot inflator and gauge, inflator gun, and digital tire gauge. And these were all $9.88, I believe. I think they were like 20 bucks. Now Kobalt also had these exclusive 5-plier set deals. They were $29, so they're 10 bucks off. And this is a close-up here. They're giving you the lifetime warranty. Now this one's pretty cool because when you turn it on, I believe the light comes on. It has a rechargeable LED, and this is a screwdriver. So that's nice if you're working in dark or just cramped areas. Now this is a 24-volt, 2-amp-hour battery pack. Was $39, it's $19 now. And then you get the battery charger for $29. You're saving 20 bucks on that one. And they had a lot of, everything was really well stocked. And look at this, guys. They had Christmas stuff out in full force. They were still putting it up, but all the Halloween stuff, I couldn't find anything from that. Now for $49, they had this 100-foot rechargeable green laser level, and also this, I think this is a 50-foot, but it's a bidirectional, so it's a laser level and a stud finder. So if you're working on hanging pictures or something like that. Yeah, this is the 100-foot one. This is the rechargeable cross-line laser level from Kobalt for $49. And then the one next to it is just $39. So this is a $24 LED infrared thermometer. Looks like it has AA batteries, which come with it, which is nice. Now Jorgensen, these were $12 for their clamps, so they were $21. I think these are 600-pound rated clamps, and then right next to it they had the larger ones, which are 1,500-pound parallel clamps, and then the 36-inch and the 48-inch for $39. Now, if you leave a comment below, guys, or a like, if you're finding this video helpful, or if you ran by Lowe's and picked something up and it's in this video. So for $14 are these drill attachments. So basically this is just used to clean your grill. I don't really know if this is kind of scammy or not, but I just do it with a little, I don't really use a wire brush, but I use one of those little cloth brush things. But this would definitely help if you have like stuck on stuff. So it's 10 bucks off at $14. Now for $7.98, this is the outdoor plug-in floodlight. Just $2 of savings, but with Christmas coming up and with Halloween people coming to your door, this might be helpful. Now some blowers for the leaves with this time of fall. This is an EGO-powered 765 CFM blower for $299. I think that's $30 off. And then this one's just 20 bucks off, but it's a 670 CFM blower. This one's $179, and the CFM is just like cubic feet per minute, I believe, the amount of air it's moving. For $219, this is a chainsaw. This is a 16-inch chainsaw from EGO, and it was $249. And then next up we have, this is kind of the 2010 section, or 2000 section, because do you remember these when these were big, like the wind speed and weather stations for outside? Now people just kind of look at their phones, but these were all yellow tagged. They have some rain gauges, some thermometers. We had one of these out at the cabin, I believe, a while back, but they're like 10, 20 bucks off. This is like the weather forecaster thing. And then they had some clocks right next to it if you need a clock. Now this is the Klein Tools Mod Box Rolling Toolbox. It's $119. It was $139. So it has that nice big handle. And then below it they had the medium toolbox for $69. I believe that was $84. Yeah, $84. Now, Craftsman's having a free deal where you get a free select tool when you buy one of these battery kits or the 2-tool combo kits. So it's a $99 value as far as the tool that you would be getting. And then the 2-tool kit is up to $199 value. Now, these are select Craftsman tools. Looks like the air compressor, mechanics kit, and the 2-tool kit. And from Kobalt, you buy one bare tool and you get this free. You get a free 2 amp hour battery starter kit. And it's just showing you some of the tools that qualify in the different price ranges, the $99, the $129. And this is a free tools up to $129 value when you buy one of these items. The Case Stack Tool Storage Suitcase or the 4-tool combo kit. And that does look like it includes the bag and the charger. Now this is from Spider. It had kind of the Dewalt color, so I always get confused with this brand for a second because I think it's like a subset of Dewalt. Maybe it is. Let me know in the comments if you know, but they had all of these sales as far as the different spade and bit sets, and they did have some circular saw blades as well. Now, speaking of Dewalt, they had their free select tools, and you get a free tool when you buy one of these kits below. It looks like the 4-pack of batteries, the battery starter kit, or the 2-tool kit with the charger and the case. That's a $399 price point on that one. And they had all the tools down below. This is the Flex deal where you get a free battery kit, which is a 2.5 amp hour battery kit. And you can pause it here, guys, if you want to see what tool you'll get for free, but I'm not going to list all these. They had all these ones up here listed. Next, with Bosch, you're going to buy one 18-volt 2-pack of 4 amp hour battery starter kit, and you're going to get an 18-volt tool for free.